Requirements Lifecycle Management is a core knowledge area within the International Institute of Business Analysis Certified Business Analysis Professional (CBAP) program and the CBAP Guide. This domain focuses on the processes used to manage, maintain, prioritize, and control requirements throughout the entire lifecycle of an initiative, from initial identification through final implementation and retirement. The knowledge area ensures that requirements remain aligned with organizational objectives, stakeholder expectations, and solution outcomes as projects evolve over time. CBAP candidates are expected to understand how effective life cycle management supports traceability, governance, risk reduction, and change control across complex business environments. The domain includes several important CBAP tasks such as trace requirements, maintain requirements, prioritize requirements, assess requirements changes, and approve requirements. These activities collectively ensure the integrity, consistency, and long-term value of business requirements management practices. The Trace Requirements task focuses on establishing and maintaining relationships between requirements, business objectives, solution components, and project deliverables throughout the initiative lifecycle. Traceability enables business analysts to understand how requirements relate to one another and how changes to one requirement may impact other areas of the solution or organization. CBAP professionals learn how to create forward and backward traceability to support impact analysis, compliance verification, and solution validation. Real-world scenarios demonstrate how traceability helps organizations manage complexity, avoid duplication, and ensure alignment between stakeholder expectations and implemented solutions. Traceability also improves governance by providing visibility into requirement origins, dependencies, and implementation status. Effective requirements tracing enables organizations to make informed decisions, manage risks proactively, and maintain control over changing business environments while ensuring that solutions continue to support strategic and operational objectives. The Maintain Requirements task examines how business analysts preserve the accuracy, consistency, and usability of requirements information throughout project and operational activities. Requirements may evolve over time due to changing stakeholder needs, regulatory updates, technological advancements, or organizational priorities. CBAP candidates learn how to update documentation, manage version control, resolve inconsistencies, and maintain requirement quality across multiple project phases. Proper maintenance ensures that requirements remain current, understandable, and aligned with organizational objectives. Real-world examples illustrate how poorly maintained requirements can create misunderstandings, implementation errors, scope creep, and project delays. Business analysts must therefore establish disciplined maintenance practices that support collaboration, traceability, and governance. This task highlights the importance of maintaining reliable business analysis information to ensure effective communication, accurate decision-making, and successful solution implementation throughout the lifecycle of business initiatives. The Prioritize Requirements task focuses on determining the relative importance of requirements based on business value, stakeholder needs, risk exposure, implementation complexity, and strategic alignment. Organizations often face limited budgets, resource constraints, and competing stakeholder demands, making prioritization essential for effective decision-making and project management. CBAP professionals study prioritization techniques such as ranking, Moscow analysis, business value assessment, risk analysis, and dependency evaluation to support structured prioritization processes. Real-world scenarios demonstrate how prioritization enables organizations to focus on delivering the highest value features and capabilities within operational and financial constraints. Business analysts collaborate with stakeholders to evaluate trade-offs and establish consensus regarding requirement importance. Effective prioritization improves project focus, resource allocation, and stakeholder satisfaction while ensuring that critical business needs are addressed first during solution development and implementation activities. The Assess Requirements Changes task examines how business analysts evaluate proposed modifications to requirements throughout the initiative lifecycle. Requirement changes may arise from evolving business conditions, stakeholder feedback, regulatory changes, technological limitations, or emerging risks. CBAP candidates learn how to conduct impact analysis to assess how changes affect project scope, timelines, budgets, resources, stakeholder expectations, and solution performance. Business analysts must determine whether proposed changes align with organizational objectives and whether the associated benefits justify the potential costs and risks. Real-world examples highlight the importance of structured change assessment processes in preventing uncontrolled scope expansion and maintaining project stability. Effective change assessment enables organizations to respond to evolving business needs while preserving governance, traceability, and solution quality. This task reinforces the business analyst's role in balancing adaptability with disciplined requirements management practices. The Approve Requirements task focuses on obtaining formal agreement and authorization from stakeholders regarding requirements and proposed solutions before implementation activities proceed. Approval activities ensure that stakeholders share a common understanding of business needs, project scope, priorities, and expected outcomes. CBAP professionals learn how to facilitate review sessions, address stakeholder concerns, document approvals, and manage authorization workflows in accordance with governance standards. Real-world case studies demonstrate how formal approval processes reduce misunderstandings, strengthen accountability, and support organizational alignment throughout project execution. Approved requirements provide the foundation for solution design, development, testing, and evaluation activities while establishing clear expectations for all stakeholders involved.